Boom. Scaring the living crap out of my cat. Just like, dude. I don't know if you can see him, but this is a colorful night. Because earlier I saw a rainbow. Shout out to you if you saw that rainbow. Also, shout out to you if you enjoy Bonfire Night. Also, shout out to you if you don't like loud noises like me, so I put my headphones on. But I decided not to right now because I'm not outside. Later I'll be showing you guys how I shoved a sparkler in a carrot. Yeah, whatever, bye. Wait, no, not bye. I want you guys to see the fireworks. Yeah, bye.